everyone, I'm Safwah and today I want to share with you guys of how we usually welcoming the best month of Ramadan, which is coming soon. And we are so blessed and happy that we have Ramadan again this year, as it is one of our guests that we are long waiting for. Therefore, this is how we usually welcoming or preparing the best month of Ramadan. But before that, please subscribe our channel, leave a like, and also click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you. So, the first one is we do deep cleaning and some decorations to our house. It's good, no? So that you will feel the aura and the energy, so that you will feel exciting for the coming month of Ramadan. The second thing is we will provide the cleanest and the best room for our family to perform prayer and Qiyamullail together. This room will also be decorated nicely. This room will also be decorated nicely so that you will also feel the aura and the ambience. Make sure this room is clean and wudu friendly, and you can put some materials, important materials in the room, like Quran, books, prayer mat, tasbih, and more. And the third one is prepare dua or surah that you want to memorize it during Ramadan. Any type of surah or any type of dua you want, anything. You can hang it in prayer room or keep it easy to access it at any time. The fourth one, the last but not the least, you need to do a proper timetable for you to plan your activities during Ramadan. This timetable is helping you to manage your timetable and plan ahead, as well to achieve your goals or target. Remember, this may be our last Ramadan ever, and therefore do your best and target the Laylatul Qadr, the best night ever, for the last time ever. That's sad. And so do your best, anything. Okay? Do your best in fasting, do your best in the Laylatul Qadr night, the best night ever. Okay? And make sure you follow as well the tips that I gave you to you. Cleaning, prayer room, du'as or surah, and timetable. Thank you everyone. Bye. Oh, and also hashtag Ramadan, hashtag stay at home, hashtag Tarawih, hashtag Azan at home, and hashtag Laylatul Qadr. Bye everyone. Bye.